Hello Felix, this is Dennis from Voltaire. So yesterday I finished your bike, and today, just with a fresh look, wanted to show you what have I done. So let's start with the motor. I cut off the flange here and move it here, tilt it. This chain I left original, just don't shift to the upper gear so that you would stay nice. So you would change your own chain. Here is the magnet. That's the receiver. And here is the second part. So I put here a few washers, a few spacers. On top I put silicone because there was a gap between these washers and the hole of the bottom bracket. So there's a little bit, not much silicone, just to close that gap. Okay, here we have so I split these cables. That's the brake cable and the gear cable on the other hand. Here is, that's the motor cables from the motor. I also split them. That's one side, that's the second side. That's the power coming up and going back into the battery. And here are two clamps, 1 and 2. I'll show you later. And the third clamp, I used your original hole from water bottle holder. That's just a spacer. On this side, so I put a hose here, and this is the shifting sensor. You see, I'm pulling the cable a little bit and it is reacting. And second cable here. All your controls will be on the left side. And also switch your lockouts. And this is a thermal glue. It comes off very easily because it doesn't really stick to this surface. So if you want to get rid of it, you just pull it out and it will come up with absolutely no traces. Now the magnet here is just that piece. Here is a metal nut which is magnetic. That thing helps me to make the system works. If I take it off, then the system will not work. Once I put it back on, it runs. I also tried to put on a thermal glue the magnet, but it comes off from the metal surface. And as you can see, there is no space where I could drill the hole for the magnet, so that for instance on Bionics I would screw it with a little screw, but there's no space for that. All your bells and whistles from the handlebar I put in this box. That's, well, basically here's everything what you have. And these three circle magnets I did not use. Okay, now let's come to the battery mount. Okay, this is a magnetic mount for the battery. As you can see here, this is the clamp, and here is a bracket, and I put the screw through the bracket first, and second one here, and the third one, as I told you before, holding on your bottle holder. And these magnets are quite tight. Now this battery, there's the charging port, there's this charging port, there's the hose. So this hose is coming into there, so I cannot show you how I plug it because I need to hold the camera. Oh, maybe like that. And now carefully, first side at an angle, and then the second. Okay, and it stays quite firmly. Doesn't really move. But if you need to take it off, you press it one more time on the side, and then it comes off. Hopefully you will be able to see it. Okay, Felix, please let me know if you would like me to do any other changes on your bike. Maybe I didn't see something just before you come over and pick up your bike. So thanks for watching, and let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.